Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can activate developer options in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and go to About Phone and go to Software Information and tap 7 times on the build number like that. Yes, developer mode has been enabled now. Now again go to the settings and go to about phone, and below that you will find developer options. Just click it and you can see different options here. You can check, for example, if you want to check RAM value, you can check here memory, and OEM unlocking is also available. Picture color mode, you can turn on this button. Auto update system, USB debugging, revoke USB debugging authorization, wireless debugging, bug report shortcut. So different functions are available, just you can use them for your purpose. Okay, so this is the way you can activate developer options in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.